You just dropped your phone. What? How do you test if it's broken? Most people say, just turn it on and see if it works. Wrong. That's checking, not testing. Here's why. A real tester asks, was this phone already broken? Did it fall in water? Is this a tough phone made to survive drops? You see the difference? If you are throwing it away anyway, who cares if it turns it on? If it's a work phone built for construction, it should survive a drop. The situation changes everything. Real testing isn't following a checklist like a robot. It's asking smart questions before you test. That's what separates a $40,000 tester from $80,000 tester. The truth, anyone can click buttons, but thinking smart, that's where the real value is. And that's exactly what companies pay big money for. Want to learn how to think like a pro tester? Join my software testing mastery course, link below. Let's turn you into the tester every team wants to hire.